Today's lesson in TinkerCad is going to be about making holes. First, we need to click on the Learn link. Then there's Starters, Lessons, and Projects. In Lessons, you need to click See All Lessons. You're going to scroll down and find Creating Holes. Click on it. The important thing is you need to read the directions in the tutorials. So it's talking about you're going to learn to remove material from one shape using the hole feature. Hit Next. So it's time to create some holes, so let's get started. It says drag a blue polygon shape to the work area and place it in the area outlined in orange. So you're going to find the blue polygon, drag it over, and place it in the orange. Now what you need to do is click on the polygon and click the hole option. And as you can see, it turns transparent. You need to group the shapes. So this is the part where people get a little confused. Make sure you click on the wrench. Make sure you hit Shift and click on the polygon. And we need to group them. So up at the top, it says Group. You can do a Control G. Or if you're on a Mac, Command G, or just click on this. So group them, and now you have the hole in your wrench. The important part though is you have to do the group. If you don't do the group, then you will not be able to get the hole in the shape. And that's how you would use that feature. Have a great day.